In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable email notification in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to turn on, so important updates arrive in your inbox. Start by signing into your HubSpot account. Open your browser and go to the HubSpot login page. Use the login method your company prefers. If your organization uses Google Single Sign-On, choose your Google account and complete the sign-in flow. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. Look to the upper right corner of the screen for your profile avatar. Click it to open your account menu. From that menu, select Profile and Preferences. This is where HubSpot groups personal settings that affect how and when you're notified. On the left side of the Preferences screen, find and click Notifications. The Notifications page is organized by channels and topics, making it easy to control exactly what reaches you and how. To turn on email alerts, locate the email section and toggle on email notifications. This switch enables HubSpot to send updates to the email address associated with your user account. You should see confirmation on the page that the toggle is active. With the main email channel enabled, take a moment to tailor what you receive. In the same notifications area, expand the categories to see the specific activities that can trigger messages. Things like comments and mentions, assigned tasks, ticket updates, form submissions, and other CRM events. Check the boxes for the items you truly want to be notified about and leave the rest off. This is the best way to avoid inbox clutter while still staying on top of what matters. If you see options for different email types, such as immediate alerts or digests, choose the timing that matches your workflow. Immediate alerts are great for time-sensitive items, while digests summarize activity at set intervals. HubSpot saves these changes automatically, so there's no separate save button to click. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure the email address shown in your profile is one you actively monitor, since that's where notifications will go. Also, if you prefer to receive some updates in-app and others by email, you can enable or disable channels side by side in the same notifications page, keeping email for the most important items. That's it. You've enabled email notifications and customized the triggers so your inbox reflects your priorities. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these settings anytime your needs change.